Welcome back to upcoming updates, and don't forget to subscribe to upcoming updates and share this video so you never miss the latest news about the most exciting vehicles hitting the market. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Suzuki Ignis, the latest evolution of Suzuki's popular compact crossover that has won hearts worldwide with its funky styling, urban practicality, and surprisingly capable performance for its size. This new model takes everything that made the Ignis special and pushes it forward with fresh design updates, modern tech, and improved driving dynamics. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Suzuki Ignis carries forward its distinctive boxy yet playful silhouette, but it's been refined to look sharper and more modern. At the front, the new LED headlights have been slimmed down for a sleeker appearance and are now integrated with a bold new grille that sports a redesigned Suzuki emblem. The bumper design has been reworked with more pronounced lines and a slightly more aggressive stance, giving the Ignis a sportier character while keeping its cheerful personality intact. The fog lamp housings are now seamlessly blended into the bumper design, and depending on the trim, you'll see black accents or chrome touches for that extra flair. Moving to the sides, the 2026 Ignis still retains its tall and upright profile, but Suzuki has added more definition to the wheel arches and sharper creases along the body for a more dynamic look. The floating roof effect is more prominent thanks to a new C-pillar design and bolder contrasting color options. Customers will now have a broader palette to choose from, with vibrant hues like flame orange, midnight blue pearl, and a new mint green metallic joining the lineup. The wheels have also received an update, with stylish new alloy designs in sizes up to 17 inches, giving the Ignis a confident stance while still being city-friendly. At the rear, the taillights have been redesigned with a more modern LED signature, and the tailgate features a subtle integrated spoiler for better aerodynamics and style. The bumper now incorporates a sportier diffuser-like design, and higher trims even get silver skid plate accents for a rugged crossover vibe. Overall, the exterior updates make the 2026 Ignis look more mature without losing its youthful charm, which is exactly what loyal fans will appreciate. Performance-wise, Suzuki has worked to enhance both efficiency and driving feel in the new Ignis. Under the hood, the 2026 model continues to offer a small but lively petrol engine, now tuned for better low-end torque and fuel economy. The familiar 1.2-liter dual-jet four-cylinder has been refined with updated fuel injection technology and improved thermal efficiency, delivering around 85 horsepower, which might sound modest, but in a lightweight package like the Ignis, it translates to peppy city driving and smooth highway cruising. For markets focused on efficiency, Suzuki also continues to offer its mild hybrid setup, pairing the petrol engine with a small electric motor to assist during acceleration and improve fuel savings. This system allows for seamless stop-start operation and a little extra boost when you need it, making the Ignis feel more responsive off the line. Transmission options include a slick-shifting 5-speed manual for those who love a hands-on drive, and an updated CVT automatic that's smoother and quieter than before, catering to urban drivers who prioritize convenience. The driving experience remains one of the Ignis's strong points. Its compact dimensions make it a joy to maneuver through tight city streets, and the elevated ride height gives drivers a commanding view of the road. The suspension has been retuned for 2026, absorbing bumps better while still keeping the car stable in corners. The steering is light but accurate, perfect for parking in tight spots but still giving enough feedback at higher speeds. Suzuki has also improved noise insulation, so the cabin is noticeably quieter, even on rougher roads. While it's not a performance car, the Ignis delivers an engaging drive that feels agile and confidence-inspiring, which is exactly what buyers in this segment want. For those in regions with challenging weather, the all-grip all-wheel drive system is still available, giving the Ignis extra capability on slippery roads or light off-road conditions. Stepping inside, the 2026 Suzuki Ignis keeps its playful and practical approach but upgrades materials and technology for a more premium feel. The dashboard design is still simple and functional, but the center console now houses a larger 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with sharper graphics and faster response times. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making smartphone integration effortless. Below the screen, the climate control panel is more intuitive. With rotary dials and a cleaner layout, the seats have been redesigned with improved cushioning and support, making longer drives more comfortable. Suzuki has also introduced new interior color combinations, including fun two-tone options that match the vibrant exterior colors. Storage remains one of the Ignis's strengths, with clever compartments and folding rear seats that expand cargo space impressively for a car of its size. In terms of safety, the 2026 Ignis benefits from Suzuki's latest driver assistance systems. Features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert are now available, either standard or on higher trims, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers. All in all, the 2026 Suzuki Ignis strikes a perfect balance between style, practicality, and efficiency. It's still the quirky, city-friendly crossover that people love, but now it's more refined, better equipped, and even more capable. Whether you're looking for a dependable daily commuter, a weekend city explorer, or a small crossover with personality, the new Ignis delivers on all fronts. Suzuki has clearly listened to feedback from owners and refined the formula without overcomplicating it, which means the Ignis remains one of the most unique and appealing options in its class. That wraps up our full review of the 2026 Suzuki Ignis. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay ahead with the latest automotive updates, make sure you subscribe to upcoming updates, give this video a like, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. There's plenty more exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned and keep exploring the future of driving with us.